Tell me what you're doing. What are you doing?
Daddy.
Who taught you how to do that?
Mommy.
No.
See, Daddy.
Gee, Daddy did? Can you finish the rest of them? Show me how G Daddy taught you to do it.
Daddy. See, Daddy. Bucket has.
Great job. Thank you for being such a big helper in the kitchen.
Mopping. Ants.
I think we should cut some mushrooms and put them in there.